My friends, so nice to see you back here, Simple Italian Cooking, you know, the place where I share with you very simple and easy techniques so that you can create your delicious food yourself at home. So today is a special day. We're going to cook seafood, tagliatelle al nero di seppia with calamari. Seafood is actually a very simple and easy dish. It's very easy to prepare and trust me, it will taste delicious. I started myself cooking with seafood only a few months ago at the second lockdown, and if I can learn it, I'm sure you can also learn it. So let's see what we need. Come closer, come closer. I will show you what we need today for this. So of course we will need the calamari. We will heat them with a quality olive oil, first for about 2 minutes at very high flame, and then later for about 10 minutes at low flame. What else do you need? We will add a shot of white wine. White wine is always good when you do fish or white meat. We will also add a little bit of salt, also my famous black salt, a little bit of pepper if you want to, and we will fry then the calamari with a few small tomatoes of course. We will also add a few black olives here from the neighborhoods, but you don't have to. You can, but you don't have to. Also very good to have a salvia leaf. These 2 pieces of garlic, I will cut them very small, and very important, parsley. If you want, you can also add a few pieces of chili that make it a little bit spicy, and also very important, the lemon. And this is the sauce, and we will cook this pasta type, tagliatelle al nero di seppia. So it's basically the ink of squid, the black ink. So not only it is fashion, it will also taste very good, trust me. Okay, next cooking step, we will cut the garlic into small pieces. Opla, one got lost. These things happen when you are live on YouTube. Okay, small pieces, up into the wok. I showed you, I could also use a big pan, but I prefer the wok because it allows me to mix the pasta with the sauce more easily. So, as you see, we like to cut the garlic in very, very small pieces. Again, up into the wok. And we will add some olive oil, or let's say a lot of olive oil, and meanwhile I will also throw some olives inside. This is the right technique. What else we need? Yes, we will need a few salvia leaves. I could use the knife, or if you have clean fingers, I just washed them, you can also make it small with your fingers. And yeah, next step will be cutting the tomatoes into quarters. I quarter them. You could half them or quarter them depending on how big the size of the tomatoes is. I think quartering is a good size. And so on. And then I will heat this up together with my friends. Okay, now starts the crucial part of this cooking. I need to tell you I did a mistake. The tomatoes will be added later. Now we will heat it up at very high flame, the olive oil, and then we will fry these calamari for about 2 minutes. And after that we will give them a little white wine bath and then cook slowly with the tomatoes for about, let's say, 10 minutes. Listen, the oil has reached operating temperature. We will now add the calamari. And they will need to stay there for about 2 minutes. Let's see what's happening now. Oh my god, this is an incredible smell. Okay, so the 2 minutes are almost over, and it's now time to give a little white wine shot. Alright, so now we can add tomatoes and let this cook for about, I would say 10 minutes. We can also add now a little bit of salt, maybe this amount, a little bit of pepper, and a little shot of this lemon. Alright, so this is almost ready. 5 more minutes. Meanwhile, I have started boiling the water, and soon we will throw the tagliatelle inside. Okay, the moment has come to throw tagliatelle inside. And I will also add a few slices of chili. Not too much. This chili is moderately spicy. And I think I can already start cutting the parsley. And so the calamari got the white wine shot, and now I think I also deserve a little shot. Cheers. Okay, my friends, tagliatelle are cooking well. Meanwhile, I want to share a secret with you. I'm publishing very frequently this kind of videos, and so if you want to get them all, please follow me, follow my channel, and you will be able to watch them from the very beginning when they are published. And another secret, if you're following me, mention it in the comments field, and you can ask me any question and I will answer them as detailed as possible. Alright, my friends, we now reached our major milestone. Pasta is cooked, and we are now ready to throw the parsley and prepare the plate. Look at this beauty. Wow. Mmm.